In this video, you will learn how to free up RAM on PC or laptop using Windows 11 or 10. First, let's find out which apps are using the most RAM. Right-click an empty area of the Windows taskbar and select Task Manager. In Task Manager, click Processes on the left. Now look for the Memory column. This shows how much RAM each app is currently using. Click Memory to sort the apps so the programs using the most RAM appear at the top. If you do not see the Memory column, right-click one of the column headings and Enable Memory. Now look for apps that you are not currently using. Close them normally first, but if an app is frozen or refuses to close, right-click it and choose End Task. Be careful not to end Windows processes or apps that you do not recognize. Closing unnecessary apps can quickly free up RAM and help your PC run more smoothly. You can also use lighter programs when possible. For example, if you have many tabs open in a browser and your PC becomes slow, close the tabs you do not need, or try a browser that works better on your PC. For simple photo editing, you may also choose a lighter app instead of opening a large professional program when you only need basic editing. Next, let's stop unnecessary apps from starting automatically when you turn on your computer. In Task Manager, click Startup Apps on the left. Here, you will see apps that can launch when you sign in to Windows. Look for apps you do not need to open automatically. Right-click the app and choose Disable. Do not disable important security software or anything you are unsure about. Disabling unnecessary startup apps can reduce background activity and help your PC start with fewer programs running. Another thing you can do is limit background activity for supported apps. Press Windows and I together to open Settings, then go to Apps and Installed Apps. Find the app you want to manage, click the three dots next to it and select Advanced Options. Under Background App Permissions, choose Never if that option is available. This prevents that app from running in the background when you are not using it. Keep in mind that some apps may stop sending notifications or updating in the background after you change this setting. You can also try Efficiency Mode in Windows 11 for apps that support it. Open Task Manager, go to Processes, find the app you want to manage, right-click it, and select Efficiency Mode if the option is available. This can reduce the resources used by that process, although it may also affect the app's performance. If you want to turn it off later, right-click the app again and disable Efficiency Mode. If your RAM usage suddenly becomes very high, it is also a good idea to check your PC for malware. Press Windows and S, search for Windows Security and open it. Select Virus and Threat Protection, then choose Scan Options if you want to run a more thorough scan. Select Full Scan and click Scan Now. Wait for the scan to finish and allow Windows Security to deal with any threats it finds. One of the easiest ways to free up RAM is simply to restart your computer. Before restarting, save any work you have open. Then click Start, select the power icon, and choose Restart. Restarting closes running programs and clears the temporary contents stored in RAM, giving your system a fresh start. Finally, if your computer regularly runs out of RAM even after closing unnecessary apps, you may need more physical RAM. To check your current memory information, open Task Manager and click Performance, then select Memory. Here, you can see information about your installed RAM and, on many PCs, the number of memory slots being used. If your computer supports an upgrade, you may be able to install additional RAM or replace the existing modules with higher capacity ones. Check your PC or motherboard specifications before buying any RAM to make sure it is compatible. And that's it. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe.